나는 영화를 보았어요. What does this sentence mean? If you would notice, the word in red letter is Yeonghwa. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day, we're going to discuss about the word Yeonghwa. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 112. Yeonghwa. Yeonghwa. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is yong, the second syllable is hwa. Pronounce it with me. Yeonghwa. The word Yeonghwa is simply the Korean noun for film or movie. And it literally pertains to a movie we watch in a cinema. Now, how do we spell Yeonghwa in Hangul? Let's start with the first syllable. To be able to write the syllable Yong in Hangul, we need to draw first an Iyang character that has no sound, followed by a Yo character, followed by another Iyang character that has the Iyang sound. For the second syllable Wa, we need to draw first a Hi character, followed by an O character, followed by an A character. And the combination of this forms the sound for Hwa. And then, we just have to combine the Hangul for each of the syllables to form the Hangul of the word Yeonghwa. Now that we knew that the meaning of Yeonghwa is movie, let's try to understand this sample sentence. The sample sentence says, I watched a movie. The Korean translation of this sentence is 나는 영화를 보았어요. 나는 영화를 보았어요. The first part of the sentence is 나는. As usual, na is the subject and nun is just a subject particle added to the subject na. Again, the rules on subject particle is that if the subject has a consonant ending, we need to add un. But if it has a vowel ending, we need to add nun. And na has a vowel ending, so we'll be adding nun. The next part of the sentence is Yeonghwa를. But take note that Yeonghwa is the object, and 를 is just an object particle added to it. Remember that the rules on object particle is that if the object has a consonant ending, we need to add 을. But if the object has a vowel ending, we need to add 를. And since Yeonghwa has a vowel ending, we'll be adding 를. The last part of the sentence is 보았어요, and this simply pertains to the past tense verb watched. But how is 보았어요 formed? 보았어요 actually came from our previous word, 보다. 보다 means to look or to see. But remember, this is a root verb, meaning this could be transformed into different tenses. And for this case, we want to transform it into its past tense. And to be able to do that, we need to remove da from the root verb 보다, leaving behind bo. And then, to make it a past tense verb, we need to add aso. But there are also rules on suffix added to make past tense verbs. If the last vowel sound of the verb is a or o, we need to add aso. But if the last vowel sound of the verb is not a or o, we need to add oso. For the case of bo, since it has o as its last vowel sound, we'll be adding aso. So bo plus aso is 보았어. And then, to make it polite, we just have to add yo as a suffix. 보았어 plus yo is 보았어요. Just a summary, we know that 나는 means I, 영화를 pertains to movie, and 보았어요 means watched. And the combination of these three would result to a sentence that means I watched a movie. So if we will look back at the example sentence at the start of the video, we already know that the meaning of the sentence 나는 영화를 보았어요 is simply I watched a movie. And with that, you've just learned Yeonghwa. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 102 to 111. But don't forget our word for today, word number 112 is Yeonghwa, and this is the Korean noun for film or movie. Word number 111 is boda. This is a root verb which means to see or to look at. Word number 110 is 진짜. This is an informal way of saying really. Word number 109 is ge, and this is the Korean noun for dog. Word number 108 is undong, and this is the Korean noun for exercise. Word number 107 is gongbu, and this is the Korean noun for studies. Word number 106 is 사랑해, and this is an informal way of saying I love you. Word number 105 is mukbang, and this is the Korean noun for eating broadcast. Word or phrase number 104 is orenmania, which means long time no see. Word number 103 is gajima. This is an imperative phrase which means don't go. And the last for our review is word number 102, hajima. This is another imperative phrase which means don't do it or stop it. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.